Welcome back to the Everyday Workbench. Today I'm going to share a simple cleaning solution that is perfect for spring cleaning your outdoor furniture. So this is a mild solution. This is not going to refinish any of your furniture. This is just to get the winter dirt off. So we take a bucket, we've got a couple of gallons of water in here. We're going to use a nice big scoop of OxiClean. And then we're going to take some mild dish soap. So this is your dish soap here. And we're going to pour some of that in there. We're going to mix it up. I'm going to show you how well it works.